Did you know that 3 out of every 5 home fire deaths resulted from fires in homes with no working smoke alarms? Or that a fire department responds to a fire every 24 seconds in the United States? Smoke alarms provide early warnings in the event of an emergency inside the home. The First Alert hardwired 120-volt AC smoke alarm with adapter plugs means no rewiring is required. This alarm is an ionization smoke detector that works exceptionally well at detecting fast-flaming fires such as those caused by paper, kitchen grease, and other fast-combusting materials. This hardwired alarm comes with a battery backup powered by a 9-volt battery, so you're never left without protection. The included adapter plugs facilitate a hassle-free installation and eliminate the need for rewiring if you're replacing an existing First Alert or BRK branded detector. In addition to functioning independently, this smoke alarm can also integrate with up to 12 other First Alert or BRK hardwired alarms for coverage of larger spaces. If one of the smoke alarms in the series is triggered, they will all sound, giving you the earliest warning possible. The universal mounting bracket further eases the installation and covers up drywall cutouts, while the tamper-resistant locking pins keep the alarm secure. On the front, you'll find the single-button silence and test button. This alarm comes with a 10-year limited warranty. So where should I be installing a smoke alarm? Smoke alarms should be installed on every level of your home, including the basement, and in every bedroom. The #1 cause for disabling smoke alarms is due to nuisance alarms. It is recommended to place smoke alarms at least 20 feet from appliances such as furnaces and ovens, as these produce combustion particles. It is best to place the smoke alarm on the ceiling as close to the center of the room as possible, and minimally 4 inches away from any corners, as these are dead air spaces. If you're placing it on a sidewall, this is also acceptable. Keep the 4-inch minimum distance from the corner where the wall meets the ceiling, but also keep it within a 12-inch maximum from the ceiling. For more information, guides on installation, or to purchase this product, visit www.firstalertstore.com.